Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. In this episode, I would like to talk what is the best way to update your OpenClaw. And natural way seems to be to use Messenger app like Telegram here. But it is wrong. I asked AI what is the best way to update, and the answer is to use Terminal. So my question was, is it safe to update OpenClaw from within Telegram app? And the answer is no, it's not the safest way. It's convenient, and many users do it successfully, but there are risks. There could be prompt injection, and the integration of Telegram can be broken. There could be problems, and manual fixing could be needed. I also asked AI what is the most recommended way to update OpenClaw, and the answer is to use OpenClaw. The best way to update OpenClaw is to run the built-in command, OpenClaw update. So I usually do it in this way, that in Telegram, or you can use your other messenger app. In Telegram, I type /status, enter, and then it shows the version and other infos. Or I am simply asking, what version are you currently running? See? It's thinking, it calls it molting, and then displays the version. In this case, currently I'm running 2026.5.6 with this model here. Doesn't matter, because we are talking here not about large language model, but about version of OpenClaw itself. Then I Google OpenClaw releases, and I click on the first item, and I land in GitHub. This is the github.com/OpenClaw/OpenClaw, and these are releases. And I see, there is new version, so I need to update it. So to update it, I go to Terminal. In this case, my OpenClaw is running here. You can see on Linux Ubuntu in data center, and I am checking what version, once again, what version I have by typing OpenClaw -- version. So it is 6 at the end, not 7. So I simply type OpenClaw update, and the update with comments. It says updating OpenClaw. The stopping manage gateway service before package updates, and then it says it stopped this service. The OpenClaw gateway service has been stopped, and now it's updating via package manager. Updating can take some time. You can see 28 seconds it took, 28 seconds. And now it's running Doctor, which is a utility inside of OpenClaw to check whether everything is sane. Running Doctor checks. It can take some time. And it took 41 seconds, and you can see that result is okay. and the version before was 6 at the end, and the version after was 7 at the end, so it was updated. There was no plugins that needed to be updated, and total time was 72 seconds. And now it is asking me about shell completion, and I am moving on my keyboard arrow right or left, and I select enable bash shell completion for OpenClaw, the question, and I select no, because I don't need this function. So it's skipped, and now it is starting the service. Daemon is that completed, and you can see at the end there's sometimes funny, sometimes less funny message. In this case, update done. Check the changelog, or just trust me, it's good. I can also verify that OpenClaw is running by the version which is running by typing once again OpenClaw ---- version, and you can see the new version is here. Type exit, so I close this window, and now you can see I can also ask again what version inside of, I can ask again inside of Telegram, what version are you currently running? You see, molting, it says molting, and the version is 7 already. And I can ask some generic large language model question to verify that everything is fine. What is capital of South Korea? Seoul. Okay, the answer was correct. One more thing. Auto-updating OpenClaw is possible by placing this JSON snippet into your configuration file openclaw.json, but it is not recommended because it can be risky. You can break chat channels, you can have problems, and as you can see here, OpenClaw instance handles personal conversations, automations, cron jobs, and potentially sensitive data. So probably you want control over when and whether it updates. Furthermore, manual updates are preferred for supervised installs because they better coordinate with the running gateway. So the recommended approach, what is suggested by AI, is to keep auto updates disabled, which is a default. And as I discussed in this video, just update manually in terminal by calling OpenClaw update. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in comments below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and give a like.